In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT with Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have the GPT for Sheets and Docs add-on installed so you can bring AI right into your spreadsheets for tasks like drafting text, summarizing content, or transforming data. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. This is a simple way to access all of Google's tools from one place. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the little grid of dots. This opens a panel with shortcuts to popular services. Find and select Sheets. If you don't see it right away, you can also go directly by typing sheetsgoogle.com or sheets.new into your address bar. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want to install the add-on. On the Sheets start page, choose a blank spreadsheet or open any existing file where you want to use AI. Once your spreadsheet is open, look to the top menu and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets lets you manage tools that expand what your sheet can do. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the official place to find and install trusted extensions for Google Apps. In the search bar at the top, type GPT for Sheets and Docs. You should see the add-on appear in the results. Click it to open its details page and confirm you've got the right one. Next, click Install. A confirmation pop-up will appear to let you know what the add-on will be able to access. Click Continue to proceed. You may be asked to choose your Google account and review permissions. This is normal for workspace add-ons. They need limited access so they can read and write to the sheet where you use them. Review the information and continue if you're comfortable. When the installation completes, return to your spreadsheet. If needed, refresh the page. You'll find the new add-on listed under the Extensions menu. From there, you'll be able to explore its options and start using AI-driven functions directly in your cells to automate content generation and data workflows. If anything doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh or reopening the file usually resolves it. That's it. You navigated to Google, opened Sheets, installed the GPT for Sheets and Docs add-on from the marketplace, and confirmed the installation. You're now set up to bring ChatGPT style capabilities into your spreadsheets and work faster with smart, repeatable formulas.